Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Okay, so I had to refilm this video yet again, but let's see. So I am going to discuss how I accidentally joined a gang, basically. And how that happened is basically I was hanging near a homeless shelter the other day, and a woman told me that my snake tattoo was gang affiliated. But she told me this is a type of gang that was basically, how can I put it, mysterious and like in the night kind of gang. And basically if people saw me with this tattoo, they wouldn't fuck with me. But if the gang people saw me with the tattoo, that they would just say something positive about it. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I joined a gang on accident. But yeah, so that's how that happened. But originally, I am supposed to make a video about all my tattoos and where I got them from, how that happens, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna make the updated video. That was a video that's long overdue, actually. And let me see what else. When I originally got this tattoo, though, it wasn't supposed to be anything serious. It was just because I wanted it. I saw a lot of girls who had snake tattoos, but now it has a significant meaning as far as like being Kundalini energy. Let's see. So now I feel like it was like kind of like a branding to like a warning of upcoming Kundalini spiritual awakening. I feel like we do get a lot of signs like that through things like tattoos, simple stuff. But yeah, that's my little it was just silly. It's nothing serious, you guys, but it was my little rant of how I kind of joined a gang by accident. So keep in mind that I am doing readings today for sale. Check out my reviews on Instagram. I'm having a lot of deals going on right now. But yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Traveling as always. Probably traveling to another place really soon, actually. So yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.